What is up, y'all boys? It is Ride with G. I am back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but today I'm gonna be giving y'all an update about the car, some shit I've done to it, and also we're gonna be sending my ECU out so we can get tuned. So stay tuned. Alright, so we had to change locations. It was a little bit too clear at the other one, but since y'all seen the car last, I put this diffuser on it. I got it from AK Motorsports. It's just a gloss black diffuser. It's a little bit dirty because we went to the fair. It's a little bit dusty. Goddamn. And then we also put these carbon fiber, black carbon fiber tips on it from Infinite Auto Works. But yeah, the reason why I'm actually making this video is because tonight we're going to be taking the DME out of the car and we're actually going to get it tuned. We're getting it tuned by John Visconti. We're going to send the ECU to him. We're probably going to do a custom tune on 93 for now because I don't have too much access to E85. But in the future, I'm definitely going to be putting E in it. We're going to go home, get the ECU out, and then we're going to send it. So now we're home and we're about to get the ECU out. But first, we have to pop this negative terminal disconnected so we can put with electrical shit on the car and not fry some shit. Okay. It's a 10 mil socket. And we just gonna make sure that shit unplugged. Gonna get it out the way. And then that's it. Alright, so now we're gonna go start disconnecting these. So basically I believe, yeah, pushes in and then it just slides off like that. And then you pull it off like this. And I put stickers, so we're gonna put like number 1 is this one. So we got to stick that this is number 1 out the way. This number 2, push in, pull back. Number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and then I believe there's 2 little clips on the side right here, here, and then here, and then it should just slide out. Okay, there we go. That's the computer. All right, y'all boys, so it's been about 2 days. Mind my voice, I'm a little bit nasally. I caught a cold right now. But we got the ecutek in, and we got my computer back, bench unlocked. So it'll probably be a cut to us tuning it. So I'm here with the foam flash kit. Looks like it comes with this cable. Obviously it goes in your phone. And then the OBD2 port. And then so I guess I'm gonna download this app, ecutek app, on my phone. And then follow the instructions. And then I'll catch up with y'all in a minute. Got it all reinstalled back in the car. I'm gonna remove the tape and the stickers once I start it up and make sure it's in the right order. Alright, so it's been a week. It's been about a week since I've had the tune on the car. It's running great. I'm gonna give y'all some driving clips and some impressions about it. But fair warning, this video is gonna be kind of all over the place because the way it's getting dark so early now, like at 4 p.m., like by the time I'm off work, it's dark. So like recording clips and getting good shit is hard to do. But we mounted new tires on the car, Michelin PS4s, 255, 35, 40s, since y'all last saw it. They hook, but rear wheel drive. I'm still spinning in the cold, but it's better. I'm gonna insert a burnout clip that we did when we roasted the stock 225s that were on there. Overall, car is good. I'm gonna give y'all some driving clips and let's go. Alright, so I'm in my neighborhood, so I'm not gonna go too wild, but the car is running great. It definitely picked it up a lot. Like when I first flashed it, I was like, what the fuck? I've been reading forums and like in the groups and stuff that most people say in 93 OTS on 93 fuel is probably around like 460 wheel, and I think it seems about accurate. But it runs good, but it happens to be like 4 o'clock, so there's a lot of traffic, but I'm gonna do what I can before it gets dark. It's 4:16 right now. It probably will be dark by 4:50, so we're gonna do what we can. Just waiting for this fucking traffic, bro. It's so bad.
But I'm gonna try to insert a clip, maybe a acceleration clip from before it was tuned and then now. It's definitely a lot quicker. Once I get a flex fuel kit and some E in it, it's really gonna be insane, and I'm gonna need probably radials. But let me give y'all a sound. So I found this little construction lot, but it's newly paved roads, so we're gonna see if we can get as y'all can see, the car's fucking running, bruh. This bitch is running. It feels so amazing, and I'm so glad to have it tuned. Flex fuel kit soon. I'm probably gonna do like a front mount intake from Arcade Tunes, maybe pick up 10 horsepower from that, whatever. But overall, the car's driving great. Let me give y'all, my car hasn't been wanting to do launch control lately. I don't know why. It just wants to like spin. But let's see if we can do it live on cam. So we're gonna put it in sport, traction off, slam the brake, slam the gas. Like you seen it said launch control active, but then it just starts spinning the fucking tires. You can see it smoking. But I'm gonna try to do it like manually. I'm gonna hold it and then let off. And it shifted early. That's some little clips. Once we get an intake on here, it's definitely, you'll hear the turbo a lot louder. But overall, it's a great tune. If y'all got an M340, John Visconti is who I went through, and he sold me the whole kit with the unlock, bench unlock, and the software and the reader, everything. And I think all together it was maybe like $1,500, but that's bench unlock, tune, software, everything to get rolling. And to pick up basically, I would say over probably 100 horsepower. Because when we dynoed it stock, I think it was at 370. And most people say on an OTS 93 tune, it's probably pushing 460, 470. So we picked up like 100 wheel. Let me give y'all one more clip. Amazing, bro. So pretty outside too. Actually a nice day. While y'all watching this, I want y'all to comment down below some content you would like to see with the car. Now hopefully after December it won't be this fucking dark all the time. But comment some content you would like to see around the 340 or some questions. I want to do like an AMA, so ask some questions about the car. Whatever. But yeah, we're gonna do some races. I'm gonna try to do some more I think I'm gonna do a 1 second. I want to do like a 6 months of ownership, because next month will be the 6th month that I've owned this car. Let me put the windows up. It'll be the 6th month that I've owned this car, so I want to just give y'all an overview, what I've had to change on the car, if it's cost me a lot of money. Spoiler alert, if you make it this far in the video, the car has costed me no money. Like oil change and spark plug is the only thing I've had to change on it. But yeah, let me give y'all it's gonna just be a sound clips video before it gets fucking dark. Let me put the windows back down for y'all. Amazing, bro. Amazing. I'm so in love. And the fucking the tune got rid of my check engine light for the for the catless downpipe and shit. This is great. Let me give y'all some downshifts. I feel like the sweet spot's at like 4K RPMs. If you're downshifting at like 3, it'll jump to 4. And it gets good fucking variables. You can see I'm spinning there. I'm spinning, but once the tires get warm, it's really not too bad. Everyone's always like, I see in like the G20 owners group, whatever, they're like, man, why would you get a rear wheel drive, like whatever. I mean, not to me specifically, but people are always like, why would you get a rear wheel drive over an X-Drive, whatever. But me personally, I like the fucking squirreliness of the rear wheel drive platform, bro. And we don't get any snow. It doesn't really get that cold here, so there's no reason. And you can kick the back end out. I will never get over how good a stock M340 with just the downpipe, catless downpipe sounds. Like, not even an exhaust, not even a catback, nothing. This car just sounds so good. Fuck, it's kind of cold, bro. Let me give y'all one more. But yeah, now the car's back in comfort. You can't even hear it. It's the most luxurious experience. That's one thing I fucking love about this car. It's like, put it in Sport Plus, it's literally a fucking wild animal, bro. And it just is crazy. And then you throw it in comfort, you don't even hear it. It shifts like so soft and whatever. And it's just like, it's so great. Like a Supra, like the Supra guys, they got the weight advantage, obviously, and they got like, you know, the coupe, the small body style. But the M340 is the all-around package, bro. It's just so great. But anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping because it's about to be dark. And yeah, but y'all leave below some comments what y'all want to see on the channel, you know, about the car, whatever. And I'm gonna try to upload more. It's just so hard because it gets dark so fucking early. I guess that's it. Peace, y'all.